Okay, so I just bought this, so it's a bit dirty. I didn't get the chance to clean it up yet. But this is how you check the engine air filter for Chrysler 300 or a Charger or anything. This is the air box right here. Right here, there's clips. As you can see, that one's not even really clipped, but you just pull the clip back and you lift up here. Some people like to undo the hose here. You don't really have to. Make it easier if you just pull this off though. So try to unclip it there. Okay. So it has tabs on this side. You got to be careful because you can break them. As you can see, someone already broke that one. You lift the edge up and you pull it towards the front. And you can lift this up. There's the filter right there. And definitely needs to be replaced. You can see looks like oil there. So I'm definitely gonna be getting a new one. With that, I'm gonna put it back on. You put this edge down in first. You gotta be careful, especially if it's cold outside. Okay, so the tabs are in. Make sure all 3 tabs are in. That one's still broken. So once the tabs are in, then you push down to get this clip in. You see that clip is in. Then you push down here, make sure this clip goes in. When you get this box in, you want to make sure both sides are clipped. As you can see, that's not fully clipped, but this is how it came when I bought it. It just won't clip in on that side because it's been installed wrong for so long that the plastic is just warped. So it stays out there, it doesn't clip in. Alright, so the air box is clipped into place. This one also has a cabin air filter. And to get to the cabin air filter, you just lift the tabs up on each side. Pop out. Alright, so if you have a cabin air filter, you'll be able to see it right here. So you want to take the top of this and rotate it down. There's clips on each side. So it just rotates down like that. And as you can see, that's pretty nasty. I have to go get a new one. And you can tell that hasn't been changed in a while. You might need to clean out some debris in there. And once you get the new filter, you just slide it back in here. And then you want to clip this back up into place. After you have that in there, you just take this, put the tabs in at the bottom. Then you clip it in. Yeah, then you're good to go.